Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, the 5th of August 2014, we're going to be looking at the CFDs, gold, SPX500, US30, German 30, USOil, US Index on the daily chart with the Elliott Wave Analysis. Before we start, a few things to run through. Go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. And also I'd like to explain to you about two products, two services that what we have launched here at the Trading Tigers. We're doing analysis for the Saudi Stock Exchange, and within there we have three products for you. One is a standard where it is of 10 companies that we have selected off the Saudi Stock Exchange. Second will be a customized where you can select 10 companies. You can select more if you want, but right now it's 10. And also by sector, any sector that you would like to see. That's one kind of product what we're offering. They're called the Saudi Stock Exchange, and it's all done with Elliott Wave Analysis. So basically we'll be giving you stops, targets and entry points, all based on the Elliott Wave Analysis and rules, and all done on the daily and the weekly charts, covering also the necessary wave counts. Once again, it's going to be a membership pay. So that's a service which I'd like that you to have a look at. And further to this, we have another product which we just launched today. It's the Middle East Indices, and that's covering all the indices, the main indexes within the countries of Saudi, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, Egypt and Tel Aviv. So that's a new product which we've actually launched, and it's a singular product. So we'll be more than happy to give you information on that. So please do contact us for more information. Below here is our email, contact@thetradingtigers.com. Okay, fine. So let's now start with our presentation of what we want to talk to you about. So let's start with gold now. This is our main count of gold. As you can see, we're on the high here, which is going back on the wave counts of our wave 2 primary, and we're looking for a wave 3 push down. Breaking that substructure down, we have a 1, 2 of the intermediate, looking for a wave 3 to come down. We put an entry at 1278.56 to go short. Stop loss is at 1410.86, and we got three different profit targets for you to take at 1225.14, 1193.70 and 1151.43. This is our main count which we're telling to you. And now let's have a look at the alternative count. Alternative count, as you can see, we've gone into a triangular kind of position, and there's the situation what we're looking at. There's A, B, C, D and E. Currently waiting for the E position to be completed, and when we look at the E position, of course we're in an ABC. There's the A, the B has come down. We're now waiting for the C position to complete. We had put an entry thought around this location, and I think that could be null and void right now, because basically we can see price is going to go up. You see this entry here. This is our entry based on the main count, so we can actually take that off. And if we're going to look really where would we take an entry, we could consider, yes, like we said, we thought price could come down here at the 78 and then bounce up. That's what we were thinking, and coming off at the target here. That's still valid if necessary, but I'm taking it off right now because on the main count I actually have a potential trade and I want to trade on that. If I'm looking for anything, I'm looking for a short position, and my short position is going to come down at for a short at the 50% level at 1343, and put the stop level around this level here, and then looking for the price to come down, shooting down. It's going to go up and then bounce all the way down to make that position. Okay, fine, so that's gold. Now let's move now to the SPX500, our favorite of the S&P 500. On the daily chart, as you can see, the larger wave degree, which I can show to you, is a wave 5 position. There's the wave 4. We're in a wave 5 position with primary, breaking that down. Intermediate, that's green in brackets, there's 1, there's 2. Wave 3 hasn't yet completed. We projected wave 3 to come around here at 2063. That's where we're looking for it to come down. Breaking that down further, we go down into the minor wave, which is pink, and there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, 4, and we're looking for the push to come up for the wave 5. We took an entry at this level at 1968. I can put that there, 1968, and our stop level currently is set at 1886.3, and target level is 2063. So let's just see what will happen in the meantime. We've checked all these ratios and everything is matching quite well. That is a wave 4, and we're waiting for this push up to complete our necessary. So just to reconfirm, the actual stop loss and the profit target has been in played. Okay, fine. Now let's move to the US30. US30, as you can see, that's following the Dow 30. We are looking at, previously we're thinking it's ending diagonal. We can see the wave 4 completed here on the low of 4th of February 2014 after primary, and we're in a wave 5 to come up there, and also we're looking for the wave 3 of the cycle degree, which is the larger wave degree. That's in black and Roman numbers. Currently now what has happened, as you can see, as we're breaking down that structure from the primary, we go to the intermediate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then within there we have an ABC pattern, and we can see prices just kind of dropped, hit that kind of line between 2 and 4 and broken it. It tested it once, 2, 3 times, and bang, did it go down. So that's what we're looking for. We put in a long position, expectation for price to go way back up, hit the 161.8 level, and then come smashing down. That's what we're expecting. That's for the main count. Now let's look at the alternative count of the US30. Once again, in a wave 5 position of a primary, we can see the 1, 2, wave 3 of the intermediate, that's green in brackets. We're looking at the minor wave, it's in a wave 3, 1, 2, 3, and the minute, as you can see, 1, 2, and looking for that push up again to complete the wave 3 pattern. So where we put our stop loss, where we put our limit, is where we're looking to come out, and that seems to be a valid location. Let's move now to the German 30 following the DAX 30, and you can see here we're in the larger wave degree, which is the cycle degree, and it's black and in Roman numbers. There's 3, there's 4, and we're looking for the wave 5 for completion. And when we look at the substructures, the primary is 1, 2, and then 3 is further up, and there you can see the 3. Breaking that down, you've got 1, 2, 3. Right, so what we've done, we put an entry at 92.62, right? Stop level at 88.22, right? And profit targets, first target is 10094, and second profit target is 10695. And that will complete the wave 3 of the intermediate, taken at the 100% level and taken at the 161.8 level. As you can see, look at SSD right now in the oversold area, tipping up forward. You could see like a push up to trigger us into that necessary trade. So I'll put 2 entries in there, and let's now move to the US oil. Just done a post on this, if you remember, traders. So let's look what's the larger wave degree pattern. What we can see, let's take that to the weekly for you traders. It's a little bit skewed up. As you can see, there's the larger wave degree pattern. I'm going to take it from here, traders. There's the 1, there's the 2. We're in a wave 3 off a cycle degree. Breaking that down, we go into the primary. There's 1, there's 2, and that's also in a wave 3. And what we've done then, we're now looking for the the intermediate 1, 2, and there 3 comes up around there, and then we're looking for the completion of the minor wave. That's right, the minor wave, which is pink, to complete at the low here, right? So once that's completed, we'll be more than happy. We put an entry at the 61.8 level, taking us in at 97.48. We've got another entry at the 78.6 level at 94.78. Stop levels at both of them, those trades at 89.41, as you can see. And we're taking 2 profit targets to take it at 107.50, and the second profit target to take it at 110.96, and of course the ultimate target we're looking at 121.05. And once again, traders, please do pay attention to this SSD, which will help us for our indicative kind of pattern, really, where we're standing. As you can see, that price has gone below the 0.20, going to tip up, going to help us for moving that price moving up forward. So probably not going to see any more downward movements, but anyhow, we're in that trade as it stands. Okay, last but not least, by popular demand, traders, we're in the US dollar index. Got a lot of inquiries about us to cover the US dollar index, and you know, we're here just to support you traders and give you what you want. Whatever I can do, I will do my best to be able to give you the necessary support so you can become better traders with the Elliott Wave Analysis. Once again, there we have the primary degree, that's 1, there's 2, and we're looking for the larger wave degree pattern to push the wave 3 up. We took an entry at 10540, and currently in the money by 4 pips, but it's £11, sorry, £11 in profit because we've got 5 lots on that. And stop level is 10365, and we're looking for that price to push it right up. I can't say much because it's a primary wave 3, and the other substructures haven't yet started kicking in, so won't be able to tell you. I think we're in a wave 1 of a minor degree, that's in pink, and a wave 1 of an intermediate, which is in green. But notice the SSD right there giving a in the oversold area. Well, we understand off of that, so let's just see how much it pushes down accordingly. Okay, so I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com.